In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Trello cards. Copying cards in Trello is a great way to save time, especially if you often repeat similar tasks or project structures. Instead of rebuilding the same card over and over, you can start from a copy and then make small adjustments. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to your Trello board. Make sure you're signed into your Trello account and then navigate to the specific board where you want to copy a card. This will usually be the board you use to manage your tasks, projects, or team workflow. Give the page a moment to fully load so that all your lists and cards appear correctly. Next, look through the lists on your board and find the card you want to copy. Cards are the individual task items within each list. Take a second to double check that this card has all the details you want to reuse, like a good title, description, checklists, or labels. When you found the right one, click directly on that card to open it. Once the card is open, you'll see a panel with the card's details, including its title, description, and any attachments or checklists. In the top right corner of this card window, look for the 3 dots icon. This icon usually represents more options in Trello. Move your cursor to that area and click the 3 dots to open a small menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several actions you can take on the card. Look for the option labeled Copy. This is the feature that lets you duplicate the card. Go ahead and click on Copy. After you click it, Trello will show you some options for your new card, such as the name of the copied card and where you want it to appear. This is your chance to slightly rename the card if you want, or choose a different list or position on the board. When you're happy with those settings, confirm the action. Trello will create a new card based on the original, keeping the structure so you can quickly adjust it and move on with your work.